Here we are on scene in London. Kamado Joe is in the house. We are primed up for an amazing party. We're calling it Kamado Joe GrillLab. And what better place to roll it out than scenic and fun London. We're here with DJ Barbecue, pairing music with food. We got the classic three, the Big Joe 3, the slow roller, the dojo, doing a make your own pizza scene with that dojo. We're excited to get into it. Can't wait for you to join us in the action. Here we go. All right, so we've come down the street to Chelsea. Here, there's a great fish market and a beautiful delicatessen that's got some unbelievable vegetables for us. So we're gonna hop on in there and see what we can get. Come on.
So yeah, that's brill. That's obviously scallops.
Love that you guys keep the roe on them. We can't find them anywhere in the US with
No, they cut them off, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Over here, a lot of people eat the roe, so.
I love it. What you see here is actually the reproductive organs on the side there, but it's got the caloric intake is through the roof. That's wonderful. Here we've got the abductor muscle, which we eat. This is the bit of sinew that's connected to the shell, so you want to take that off. You go to a restaurant, you see that on there, you can tell they don't really know what they're up to, okay? So you want to rip this off. Great to see the roe on there. Look at the beautiful markings on that too. Oh my gosh. Dave, how much for the bundle? We got enough. First one. Oh, salmon. Thank you. See you, brother. What in the world are these? I have never seen that. Never in my entire life.
French black bean.
A French black bean.
It's probably slightly redder than black, but
no, it looks
yeah,
straight black to me.
Yeah,
I mean,
it will retain its color if cooked or steamed.
These are going to be perfect. $9 each. These are really great. The morels, I want it all. This looks, yeah, this is great. Thank you. See you next time. So here we are in Bermondsey hanging out with our good friend Christian Stevenson, AKA DJ Barbecue. Brother, thanks for taking the time to be here today.
Dude, I'm just glad people want to come and get some good meat because Nathan's is the best. This guy, Nathan Mills, from the butchery, he sources only from farms, like the good stuff. There's no middleman. He knows what those animals are grazing upon, what they're feasting upon, and how they're looked after. And we're here to pick up some of the best meat in the entire country.
You've got a killer YouTube channel.
It's called DJ Barbecue. It's on YouTube. And yeah, we got about 179,000 subscribers, about 300,000 like across all the platforms. And we just try to teach people how to cook barbecue and have a good time. We have an ancient beast here called White Park. White Park, it was King James II or Henry II who had a roasted loin muscle from a White Park and was so blown away by the flavor, he knighted it sirloin. And that's how you have the name sirloin. Also, this cow is so old and revered that during the Blitz, Churchill sent a load of males and females to America so if their species got decimated here, we could propagate it over in America.
How about that? Like an airplane hangar. Walk us through what we got going on here. You've got some big old subprimals. You're not or primals, not even subprimals.
Okay, so that's our whole ethos. We buy whole animals all the time. And we would be the only butcher in London to do that.
So where's that tomahawk?
Check this out. I've been doing something called a scorpion steak, and, and I was telling Christian about it. So you think you could help me cut this into a scorpion?
Yeah.
Would that be cool?
Not? Yeah, you'll have to talk me through.
No, we'll do it together.
One, yeah?
Yeah. You know, those of you who've been following Kamado Joe and seen what we're doing, we invented something called the scorpion steak, okay? It's a lot of fun. And so that chine bone we're taking off right now, that's the spinal region. In the center there, that's where all your spinal material would be. So there's great meat in this right here. I mean, this is a cut of its own right here. That's sheet music. Look at that. Look at the. Oh. So now we're gonna go right about here. Just cut on both sides, and then we're gonna lift that up and sneak right out where the chine would be. So at this point, this is a steak I call Thor's hammer. I like to hold up from here and score about halfway. It's gonna feel really loose. And this is really important. I've messed this up a couple of times. I've cut here, not thinking about it. Duh, we want dead even steaks. 2 even steaks. Push it down, and bring this bone up. These pieces come back here. We're gonna start this at about 225 Fahrenheit, which is what, guys, in Celsius?
230 Fahrenheit, was it 110, 115, I think, Celsius?
You know, the Aussies always joke that things are cooked better, taste better when they're cooked in Celsius. So, you know, we're gonna start it low and slow. We're gonna build it, the caramelization, the Maillard reaction is gonna start, the proteins are gonna turn to sugars, and then we're gonna take it from that Kamado with the slow roller and flip it over, maybe sear it on a soapstone at like 6, 7, 800 degrees Fahrenheit. We're looking for an internal temperature of about 115 Fahrenheit. Let it rest, then get that blister, bring it up to about 120, and then slice as you go. Brother, I can't thank you enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thanks, Nathan. You're a good dude, man. Yeah. I don't care what your staff was saying about you earlier. Nah, Steve didn't say nothing.
We're back at the Camden grocer now, so we're gonna get to prepping all this stuff in preparation for our GrillLab party tomorrow. Beautiful. Put it on the table over here and just get it go. Low and slow is the way to go. Come on over. How's that tri-tip? This on a gas grill?
I don't think so.
Totally good. Not like this.
You can't, man. There's no flavor in gas. I understand it, but there's no flavor in it. Lump wood, or make your own charcoal, but it's all about lump wood.
We're gonna go for the North Carolina pork butt cooked on the slow roller on the Kamado Joe Classic 3 for 18 hours. Woo! That, as they say, is what's up. Raining out here. This ain't gonna stop the party. We got DJ Barbecue spinning record. Christian! I hope you've enjoyed watching this. Continue to check out the new stuff we've got coming out because it is unbelievable. Hope to see you in your town. Cheers.